Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy your Microsoft 365 subscription online. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all you will be needing to do is to go to the Microsoft.com website. So I'm just going to click on this button and it will take me directly to there. So as you can see, now we are on the Microsoft.com and from there you will be needing to simply go to the Microsoft 365. So I'm just going to click on it and basically it will take us to this page. From there, you will be able to navigate and see all the plan and pricing. And basically, we'll need just to click on see plan and pricing. And basically, you will need just to choose first the category. So either it is for enterprise, business, or education. So I'm just going for business. And then I'm just going to click on see plans and pricing so I can see everything concerning business. So from here, you will be able to start like buying all the subscription that you would like online after like choosing if you want to pay annually or paying monthly or whatever. And you will be able to start like reading all the features concerning this each subscription. So as you can see, those are all the cloud services added here, and basically those are all the services for each plan. And you will need just to click on buy now, and of course you can also have a 1 month free trial, and then you will be needing to simply click on next. You will pass the captcha, and after that you will be needing just to add all the information concerning your uh, plan. You will want to, for example, to pay yearly. You click on next, and after that you will add the email. So you will add just your work email address, and then it will check if you need to create a new account for Microsoft Business Standard. You click on next, and basically after that you add your billing information, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.